How are you, my dear students? This is Sukumar. Again, here I am standing before you to start exercise 4.4. Before we start that exercise 4.4, we have to learn angle sum property. This property you already learned in class 7 and class 8 also. See, my dear students, in a triangle, the sum of the three interior angles of a triangle, is two right angles are 180 degrees. Let us prove this theorem. Before that, let me write the statement of this angle sum property. In a triangle, sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. To prove this theorem or this statement, in triangle ABC, angle A, angle B and angle C are interior angles, or these three are interior angles of triangle ABC. See, my dear students, to prove this theorem, let us make a small construction here. What is the construction here? Let us draw a line. L is parallel to this BC. This line L is parallel to BC. Okay, draw L which is parallel to BC. Now coming to the proof, my dear students, here 1, 2, 3, this is 4 and this is 5. You can see 5 angles here. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are the interior angles. So to prove here, what we have to prove, this angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, this sum of these three interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. See, my dear students, and you also find angle 4 and angle 5. Okay. Now coming to the proof here, this L and BC are parallel. Just imagine this AB is a transversal. L is parallel to BC and AB is a transversal. Therefore, angle 4 and angle 2 are equal. So, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Why? This L is parallel to BC. And what is the transversal here? AB is the transversal. Therefore, angle 2 and angle 4 are equal. Why they are equal? They are alternate interior angles. See, you already learned in the previous classes, if a transversal intersects two coplanar parallel lines, then the alternate interior angles are equal. That means angle 2 and angle 4 are equal. The reason here is alternate interior angles. They are equal. Right. See here, if you consider this AC as transversal, this L is parallel to BC, AC is a transversal. Here, angle 3 and angle 5 are equal. This pair, that means angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Here also, my dear students, the same reason, alternate interior angles are equal. Next, angle 1 is equal to angle 1. Here, this is angle 1, this angle is equal to itself. This property is called reflexive property. That means every number is equal to itself. So, this property is called reflexive property. So, my dear students, here angle 2 is equal to angle 4, angle 3 is equal to angle 5 and angle 1 is equal to angle 1. That is called reflexive property. Every number is equal to itself. So, by adding these three equations, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, this is equal to what? Angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5. Right. See, my dear students, if you observe angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5, what do you observe here? This forms a straight line. Angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees. The angle in a straight line. So my dear students, instead of this angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5, you can write 180 degrees. That means this is implies angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. This sum is equal to 180 degrees. Since it is a straight line, so the angle is straight angle, that means half of circular angle, that is 360 by 2, that is 180 degrees. Straight angle, since this line is a straight line, that L is a straight line, so here makes an angle 180 degrees. So my dear students, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, these three are the interior angles of a triangle, therefore their sum is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now coming to the next topic, my dear students, I hope you understand this theorem or statement. Sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Our next topic is exterior angle of a triangle. What is an exterior angle? Exterior angle of a triangle. How many exterior angles you can draw to a triangle in an order? See, for example, here, exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. Look here, take a triangle here. Just produce this side. Let this triangle is ABC. Produce this BC to capital D. So this angle is called an exterior angle. So this exterior angle ACD is equal to sum of the opposite two interior angles. That means angle A plus angle B. This exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite two interior angles. See, for example, this is some 30 degrees and this is some 40 degrees, means what about this angle ACD? 30 plus 40, that is 70 degrees. So the exterior angle means the sum of the opposite two interior angles. See here, if you produce this one, this is also an exterior angle. This is also an exterior angle. Okay. See, for your information, the sum of all these exterior angles is equal to 360 degrees. 360 degrees. First question in exercise 4.4. In the given figure, the given triangles, find out x, y and z. Actually, there are three questions here, 3 bits in this first set, but I will teach you only first bit. The remaining 2 sums you can do on your own, right? Here in this triangle ABC, it's very simple sum. This x is what? Angle ACD, that is x, it is an exterior angle. Exterior angle of a triangle ABC. So this exterior angle is equal to, as I told you, sum of the opposite two interior angles. That means angle A plus angle B, that is 50 plus 60, that is equal to 110 degrees. So the exterior angle x is equal to, my dear students, 110 degrees. So the remaining sums you can do is very simple, right? Second question in this exercise 4.4. See, my dear students, here in this triangle BRT, AS is parallel to BT. AS is parallel to BT. And what is given here? Angle 4 is equal to angle 5. So that means this angle 4 and angle 5 are equal. This is angle 4. This angle 4 is equal to angle 5. What next, my dear students? This SB bisects this angle AST. That means angle 2 and angle 3 are equal. Bisecting means it divides it into two equal angles, two congruent angles. So this angle 2 and angle 3 are also equal. Okay. So we have to find the measure of angle 1. Find the measure of angle 1. That means we should find this angle here. See, coming to the solution here, this AS is parallel to BT, and take this BS is a transversal. This BS is a transversal. transversal. This BS is a transversal. So my dear students, this angle 2 and angle 5 are equal. Angle 2 is equal to angle 5. So let it be, this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is 3. So why this angle 2 and angle 5 are equal? These are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. These alternate interior angles are equal. So angle 2 and angle 5 are equal. So from equation 2 and 3, from 2 and 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 5. That means that angle 3 is equal to angle 5. From 2 and 3, angle 3 and angle 5 are equal. But this angle 4 is equal to 5 now. So from equation 1, my dear students, this angle 3 is equal to, that means 3 is equal to 5, 5 is equal to 4. That means angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5, all these three angles are equal. So angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5, all these three angles are equal. So this triangle BST is an equilateral triangle. Triangle BST is an equilateral triangle. So what is each interior angle of an equilateral triangle? Triangle BST is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So what is each interior angle of an equilateral triangle? 60 degrees. That means angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 60 degrees. But this angle 2 is also equal to angle 5. That means this angle 2 is also equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Now my dear students, what we have to find here actually angle 1. See here, this angle 2 is 60, angle 3 is 60. What about this angle 1? This is also 60. Why? This angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. This sum of these angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. This is equal to 180 degrees. But angle 2 and angle 3 both are equal to 60 degrees. That means angle 1 plus 60 is equal to 180. So angle 1 plus 120 is equal to 180. So angle 1 is 180 minus 120, that is 60 degrees. So this angle is also equal to 60 degrees. Here my dear students, all the angles are equal to 60. But angle 1 is also 60 degrees. Third question in exercise 4.4. Given this AB is parallel to CD and this BC is parallel to DE, this double-headed arrows, that means BC and DE are parallel. This single-headed arrows, that AB is parallel to CD. So we have to find the values of X, Y and Z. Okay. Look here. Solution. See my dear students, this AB is parallel to CD here. AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. So here this just take this BC as transversal. BC is a transversal. Transversal. Okay. So this BC is a transversal. Then this 3x is equal to 105. So 3x and 105 are equal. What is the reason? This 3x and 105, that means this AB, CD is a transversal. AB is parallel to CD and this BC is a transversal. These are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles are equal. So my dear students, this 3x and 105 are equal. That means x is equal to 105 by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 1 5, 5 3s are 15. So x is equal to 35 degrees. So what is the value of x here? 35 degrees. Now we have to find the value of y also here. See, here these two lines are parallel and this y, these two lines are parallel and the sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Let me explain here. If two lines are parallel and intersected by a transversal, then sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So my dear students, here let me take this BC is parallel to DE. BC is parallel to DE. BC is parallel to DE. That means this 105, that means angle BCE plus BCE plus angle DEC. Angle DEC, this is equal to 180 degrees. BCE plus angle DEC is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So 105 plus 24 plus y is equal to 180 degrees. 105 plus 24. Let me write here, CE is a transversal. CE is a transversal. Okay, so that means this angle and this angle, their sum is equal to 180. So 105 plus 24, that means 129 plus y is equal to 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 129. So this is equal to 10 minus 9 is 1. Here 7 minus 2 is 5. So that is 51 degrees. So y is equal to 51 degrees. X is equal to 35 degrees. Fourth question in exercise 4.4. Here my dear students, in this figure, this BE is perpendicular to DA. This BE is perpendicular to DA, BE is perpendicular to DA, and this CD is perpendicular to again DA. Okay, that means this here, this angle CDA, angle CDA is 90 degrees, and angle BEA, it is also equal to 90 degrees. This angle is also 90 degrees. Angle BEA is also 90 degrees. Why? This CD is perpendicular to DA and this BE is perpendicular to DA. Okay, see, observe CD and BE, these two angles are equal to 90. Actually, this angle CDA and angle BEA are called corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means, look here, corresponding angles, where the corresponding angles are formed when the two lines are parallel intersected by a transversal, then this pair is called corresponding. That means one is interior, other angle is exterior. They are on the same side of the transversal. So my dear students, if you imagine the CD and BE are parallel, then these are called corresponding angles. When the corresponding angles are equal, when these two lines are parallel. Therefore, this CD is parallel to BE. CD and BE are parallel. The reason is here, this pair are corresponding angles. Therefore, the CD and BE are parallel to each other. Okay. See, just imagine this DB is a transversal. This DB is a transversal. Okay, this DB is a transversal. This CD and BE are parallel lines. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 3. What do you call these angles, my dear students? They are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay, CD is parallel to BE and this DB is a transversal. Then angle 1 and angle 3 are equal. They are called alternate interior angles. So we have to prove measure of angle 1 is equal to measure of angle 3. So hence it is proved. Now coming to the fifth question, exercise 4.4. To become this AD is parallel to BC, we have to find the values of x and y. Okay. See my dear students, here AD is parallel to BC. Let us consider this AB is a transversal. AB is a transversal. Here let us take this AC is a transversal. Actually this is the transversal, that means this AC and AB transversals for AD parallel to BC. Okay. See, AB is a transversal, means this 5y and 2x are equal. 5y is equal to 2x. The reason is alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay. See, this AD is parallel to BC. This 5y and 5y and 2x are alternate interior angles. AB transversal means. If AC is a transversal, for these two parallel lines, these 30 degrees and x minus y are equal. That means that x minus y is equal to 30. These are called corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means they are on the same side of the transversal. One is interior, other one is exterior. This is interior, but this 30 is exterior angle. Okay. So here 5y is equal to 2x, here x minus y is equal to 30. See, from this equation, what is x? 30 plus y. So this is equation 2 and this is equation 1. From 1 and 2, 5y is equal to 2x. That means 5y is equal to 2 times 30 plus y. That means in this 2x, substitute x value, that is 30 plus y. That means 5y is equal to 2 into 30 is 60 plus 2y. Okay. So 5y minus 2y is equal to 60. 3y is equal to 60. Y is equal to 60 by 2. That is what? How many times? Sorry, 60 by 3. That is 20. So y is equal to 20. Substitute this y is equal to 20 in equation 1. That means from equation 1, 5 into 20 is equal to 2x. Okay, 2 in 10, 20 actual 10 times. So x is equal to 5 tens are 50. Understand? Substitute this y is equal to 20 here. 5 into 20 is equal to 2x. So 2 in 20 10 times. So 5 tens are 50. So value of x is 50 degrees. The value of y is 20 degrees.